Hey, greetings everyone. Dominic for another How I Solved It with Client with a customer question today on how can we prevent time entry on specific tasks. So thank you, Rose, for your question. I will go a bit broader than the specific task here to show you all ways we can affect time entry here. So I'm starting on a project where I want to show you the close time entry field. So first, if you are on a V48 or earlier version, you should have that available. If not, most likely it's just not showing on your page layout. Reach out to a system admin so that they can bring it back as visible. So here, close time entry on a project, if enabled, means that anyone from the project will not be able to log hours on that project. So that can be used in the context where the project is not completed, might be on hold for some reason, financial issues or whatever. You want to prevent your team from logging hours on there. You might want to use that temporarily so that you can control the hours being entered against that project. It is also available if you reach a client task where that same name field close time entry is available. So same kind of use case, maybe that task is on hold for some reason and you don't want hours to be logged, or it might be that it's a parent task and you want to prevent hours from being logged, so you can use the close time entry for just that reason. Back to the project. Talking about project assignment next here. So the project assignments is another area where the close time entry could be used. In this case, if it's more of a permanent thing, you most likely will want to affect the status. So if you are going to status and mark it as closed, that resource will not be able to log time anymore on the project and will most likely not see that project also from the drop down. So either they're done with that project contribution or they're a resource that is not working for your business anymore. You want to update the status. But if it's for a temporary thing, you can use the close time entry in this case. And then the last one, back to the project, going to task assignment. So a task assignment, more specific to a specific task. So going probably to Rose's question, so a specific task and a specific resources, then we can use the close time entry also in that case. So for all those four levels, project, task, and task assignments, that can easily be used within an automation. So a record triggered based on some business rules, we can use that flag to prevent time entry. Or manually if set by your PM in some cases. There are other ways eventually that we can affect the behavior of your timesheet entry. So two custom settings values we can use in the client timesheet custom setting. First one is disable completed task, which kind of states it by the name, which is if you have the task completed, it will not be available in your timesheet. And the other one is display assigned task only, where if you want to be very prescriptive on how people are logging their hours, if you enable this, the resource would only see assigned task in their dropdown, so you can reduce mistyping errors so that they're only logging time on tasks that they are actually assigned to. And then the last one I'm listing here, custom validation rules. If you want to affect time entry, you can add custom validation rules on timesheet detail object. So again, if you have a different use case, that's also another options to show a error message on the line that maybe you don't want hours to be logged for some reason, exceeded number of estimated hours or some other business rules you might have. So hopefully one of those 5 ways will suit your need. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to reach out to support@client.com. It will be a pleasure to support you and help you in finding the right method to apply in your context. Thanks. Have a great day.